Hello, thank you for watching the slideshow, and we have a brief pause. Once you glue your Dollar Tree burlap to your cardboard cross, I want you to take some of the strands out around it so it looks like it's frayed. Okay? This is March 4th, 2019. Making the Easter cross with Dollar Tree crafts and ideas and all Dollar Tree items. Continue with the slideshow. Thank you. There, you have yourself a rustic cross made from Dollar Tree. Now you can add it into your wreaths and other decorations, or just place some twine on the back and hang it on the wall for this Easter season 2019. I thank you for watching this very quick, easy DIY rustic Easter cross. Okay? And what am I going to do with mine? I'm not finished with it yet. Watch the video when I made this Easter cross out of Jenga blocks, and I placed it inside the Dollar Tree vase with florals. My second idea, reversal. I'm going to add florals in the inside and then add the Easter cross on the top to make this like a focus centerpiece. I want it to be a focal point. So stay tuned. I might upload the second DIY. And subscribe and like it and share it if you prefer rustic, easy DIY Easter decor for 2019. Something different, easy, cheap, and of course like farmhouse rustic style. That is my Easter decor for my kitchen. I wish I had cotton flowers. I would place a cotton flower on every single one of these. And I don't have any cotton flowers. Oh, maybe when I'm finished I will. Stay tuned. I send my blessings out to you and your family from me and mine. March 4th.